Hello, everybody. Rambo here, and I started charting PXT2. I usually do NASDAQ and OTCs and things like that, but now that I'm in PXT2 and Strong, I'm starting to do chart videos on that also. You could please check out my channels, Rambo's Charts. I preferably do the 3 year weekly chart, but considering how new PXT2 is, I'm doing the 1 hour chart right now. I'll be doing PXT chart every Monday nights, so stay tuned for that. I had some technical difficulties the last couple of weeks, so sorry about that, but let's see if this one works. Make sure my audio's on, all that good stuff. Okay, so but I've heard some guys say that it's too early to do technical analysis. Um, all you need is 1 day, and you could do the minute chart. So, and as things progress, then you can get bigger and bigger candles. Right now, I'm doing the 1 hour. I'll wait for a good couple months before I'll start taking a look at the weekly candles and getting into what really is my forte. But I started charting this here from the 19th of January. We already have trends setting up right here. Then we have ended up a base trend support, and sure enough, see, it bounced right off of that support line. That is definitely usable. Now, when we started and off that bounce, we had another bounce right here. So the support line is getting steeper, which is a sign of a steeper break. And sure enough, that's what we get. Now, when we came up to the $46 area and everything, I was telling people that this is what they call an ascending wedge, which is bearish, and sure enough, that's what happened. We set up a consolidation here, and then once we really broke that, we went to the south side. I started really that's a technical thing that I did just within that area. I was thinking that's a long story, doesn't matter, but I knew that it was going to be coming up from here, so I wasn't too concerned about that. And then we bottomed out here, had some support, but look at where we came back at, guys. Technical analysis. Trend lines is very easy. And it came right to it and stayed underneath it until we set a new base support line. It's not as aggressive as this. And for us being that young, that's probably a good thing. So I'll probably keep this on the chart, but I'm just going to bring it down a little bit. And so now we have a sign of a beginning of what I call a stage one reversal pattern. Let's see, we come back here. What I mean by stage one, there's 4 stages to a chart. We have this would be a reversal trend area right here. Transition to a stage 2, which is your uptrend. Stage 3 is consolidation, topping out, and then stage 4 is down, and then we start the whole process over again. And so that's where we're at right here. Now we're starting a high. This is a good thing. See where this is right here? This is the second transition. This is the first transition. Really, technically, that's the first, that's second, that's third. So right here we have higher lows, and that's a really good thing. Okay, so we're putting in higher lows. Now here's a high. Now this is a big high. So we'll wait and see what happens here. I doubt we get back up to here for right now. We might set in a high right there, which is lower than this, which is would be a sign of a downtrend. But then maybe we set a low here, and so it end up just a little consolidation area, which is no big deal. We're setting up a base. But a good sign is here's the downtrend, and now we're setting a steeper uptrend line, which is a sign of a stage 1 reversal. Once we get past this high right here, and then set in a low, then we're in a stage 2 breakout, which could take us wherever we're going to go. But we'll wait and see how everything is going. But right now we're looking at a stage 1 reversal, which is a good sign. And I'll be seeing you guys next week. If you liked the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for my weekly videos on this. And with that said, guys, have a good night.